Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make pounded yam using the Ninja food processor. So sit back, relax and enjoy. The parts required are the 1200 mortar base, the 2.1 litre jug and lid and the total crushing blades. I love this blender because of its reliability and it's quite durable as well. Remember, the quality of your pounded yam will only be as good as the quality of the yam you pick up. So make sure you use a really good yam if you want to enjoy your pounded yam. Slice the yam you'll be using into small pieces so that it'll be easy for you to pour in the blender and blend later. Bring the yam up to boil and then check that the yam is soft enough. You can do this as shown, so make sure the yam is soft enough and then you know it's ready to be blended. Pour your yam into the blender. Be careful and make sure the blades are properly secured. Try not to overfill the blender, just make sure you put the right amount. And another good piece of information is to pour a little bit of water from the boiled water with the yam and then just use the blend function to blend up your yam. The automatic nature of this blender will make sure your yam is well blended, so you can also check the texture by opening the blender when it's not running. Obviously make sure it's not running. Once you remove the lid, the blades won't be running anyway, so check that is well blended, and there you have your pounded yam. Thanks to modern technology, you can enjoy your easy to make pounded yam with fresh yam, and yeah, just enjoy with any soup of your choice. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll also drop the link to the food processor in the description section. Thank you, bye bye.